Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a wise old farmer named Mr. Thompson. He had 3 sons, Jack, Tom, and Harry. They were as different as night and day, never agreeing on anything and always bickering over small matters despite living on the same patch of land. Mr. Thompson loved his sons dearly and wanted to teach them the importance of unity. One crisp autumn morning, Mr. Thompson called his sons into the living room. "My dear boys," he said with a gentle smile, "I have a special task for you today." The sons were curious and gathered around their father. Mr. Thompson handed each of them a small, tightly bound bundle of sticks. "Now," he said, "I want each of you to break these bundles without untying them." Jack was the first to try. He strained and twisted the bundle, but the sticks would not budge. Tom took his turn and grunted as he pressed the bundle against his knee, but it remained solid. Finally, Harry tried. Using all his strength, he bent and twisted, yet the bundle stayed intact. The brothers, exhausted, handed the bundles back to their father. Mr. Thompson, with a knowing nod, said, "Now, I want you to untie the bundles and try breaking them stick by stick." The sons were puzzled but did as their father instructed. To their surprise, they easily snapped each stick individually. A soft laugh escaped Mr. Thompson's lips as his sons looked up in astonishment. "You see, my dear sons," he explained, "when you tried to break the sticks as a group, they stayed strong and unyielding. But individually, they were weak. This is the lesson of unity." Jack, Tom, and Harry looked at one another, feeling a newfound sense of understanding and camaraderie. From that day forward, they worked together, helping and supporting each other in their father's fields. Unity had become their strength. And thus, the wise farmer's lesson endured in the hearts of his sons, teaching them that even the simplest tasks become easier when tackled together. A bundle of sticks in their hands was a constant reminder of the power of unity and the importance of family. As the seasons changed, so too did the bond of the brothers, growing stronger and more resilient with each passing day. And this, dear children, is how the clever farmer taught his sons the lasting power of unity and cooperation.